What's going on today, YouTube? Today, I want to make a short video explaining to you guys what stock splits and reverse stock splits are. And if you're new to my channel, I make daily investment videos about helping you guys in stock market and what I wish I knew when I started. So if you like this kind of content, leave a like, comment below, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, essentially, all a stock split is, it does not change the value or anything of the company. It is in the same essence as, say, I have a $100 bill and you have two $50 bills. We exchange this. I get the two 50s, you get the 100. That's all a stock split is. I trade my $100 bill for two $50 bills. Not change the value or anything. Same as like having a dime, getting two nickels. It's the same thing. So, you can have a stock split and you can have a reverse stock split. Like for instance, this stock, it was a 1 to 20 reverse stock split. So, as you can see on the screen right there. So for every 20 shares, it turned into 1 share. So that makes sense why this stock was trading at 0.35, like 35 cents, and it opened at around $7. Because now 1 share equals 20 shares. So 20 times 0.35 is around $7. So as you can see, like this had a huge spike during the day, and that's because people were just seeing like they create a misconception when they do these stock and reverse stock splits. They create a misconception that this company is worth more than it actually is because, essentially, a penny stock is trading from 35 cents the whole way to $7. People see that jump and they rush in and buy before paying attention to what happened. There could be a lot of buyers not realizing that this was just a reverse stock split, and that's the only reason the price went up. So you just be cautious of that. If you ever see a big gain in price, make sure it's not a stock or reverse stock split. Now, on the other hand, a stock split, say this was a 20 to 1, it would have made the stock price go from $7 to 0.35 or 7 to 35 cents. Why companies will do this? They do this because this would be like a major company as in like Apple or Facebook, Tesla, anything really expensive. If they think their shares get too expensive, they don't want to deter investors with minimal amounts of money to get in. So they do this to get more investors in, which that raises themselves money because more people in it gets them more money. So anytime you think of a stock split, just remember it does not change the value of the company, and it just is a tool for companies to make their price lower or make their price higher. That is like one of their strategies to get more investors in if they're not paying attention to what actually happened to this company. So that's all for today. If you like the video, leave a like, comment below, share it, subscribe to my channel if you like more of this content. I post daily, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.